Hello kids, are you ready? Let's start. A for apple. B for bird. C for car. D for donkey. E for elephant. F for frog. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jeep. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for moon. N for nurse. O for orange. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. B for violin. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. J for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.